As we continue our series on Florida's top beaches, today we're in Daytona Beach, here with Traveling Joe. Hello everyone, this is Traveling Joe, and today we're continuing our series on the top beaches in Florida. Today we're in Daytona Beach. Daytona Beach is known as the world's most famous beach, and with 23 miles of white sandy oceanfront, this Florida beach draws in millions of visitors annually. If you're enjoying our videos, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Daytona Beach is located on Florida's Atlantic coast and is 90 miles south of Jacksonville and 42 miles northeast of Orlando. The city of Daytona Beach is split into two by the Halifax River Lagoon, which is part of the Intracoastal Waterway. The main attraction at Daytona Beach is, of course, the beach. In addition to being known as the world's most famous beach, it's also known as the spring break capital of the world. The hard-packed sand allows for motorized vehicles on the beach in certain restricted areas. There is a charge of $20 per day per vehicle. Annual passes are also available for $25 for Volusia County residents and $100 for non-residents. Off-beach parking is also available. Go to DaytonaBeach.com for more information. Daytona Beach has some of the most accessible beaches in Florida. It has an expansive shoreline of 500 feet at low tide, so there's plenty of room to soak up the sun. The beaches are open to pedestrians 24/7, and there's always free access. Please be advised that Daytona Beach suffered some damage during Hurricane Ian, but the beaches are open and the city is getting back to normal. There are several attractions in Daytona Beach, including the iconic Daytona Beach pier. The pier is 1,000 feet long and is centrally located along the Daytona Beach Boardwalk. The east end of the pier is normally open for fishing from dawn to dusk 7 days a week. There is no cost and a fishing license is not required. The Daytona Beach Boardwalk is a concrete promenade which was originally installed in the late 1920s. This is a great place to enjoy a leisurely stroll while enjoying the beautiful ocean view. You'll find several points of interest along the way. The Daytona Beach Clock Tower, later renamed the Malcolm Campbell Clock Tower, is part of an historical complex just off the boardwalk. The tower was dedicated on July 4, 1938, and in 1999 it was added to the National Registry of Historic Places. Right nearby the clock tower, you'll find the Daytona 200 monument. Celebrating 21 years of preserving the history of the iconic Daytona 200 motorcycle race, the monument honors the great men and women who have participated in this historic event. And just beyond the monument, you'll find the Daytona Beach Bandshell. The Daytona Beach Bandshell is an outdoor amphitheater and features entertainment. It features an outdoor summer concert series, and it too was added to the U.S. National Register of Historic Places. Just off the boardwalk, you'll find the Ocean Walk Shops. This colorful shopping, dining, and entertainment complex features a wide variety of dining and specialty shops. Restaurant options include Bubba Gump Shrimp Company, Johnny Rockets, Cold Stone, Sloppy Joe's, and more. Specialty shops include Maui Nick's Surf Shop, Point Break, Sunglass Hut, and others. Daily hours are from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m., and parking is available across the street. There are tons of food and drink options available at Daytona Beach. The Landshark Bar and Grill offers a tropical vibe overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, serving seafood, burgers, and sandwiches. The restaurant offers an outdoor bar, volleyball areas, fire pits, and live music. Just next door is Krabby's Oceanside. The restaurant features indoor and outdoor seating and has panoramic views of the beach. Krabby's offers daily happy hour specials as well as a full lunch and dinner menu. Located in the middle of the Daytona Beach Pier, you'll find Joe's Crab Shack. This national chain casual restaurant serves delicious coastal dishes as well as famous steam pots. You can sit on the patio and enjoy their famous Shark Bite cocktail. The Ocean Deck Restaurant and Beach Bar is located directly on the beach. Live island music is offered in a relaxed atmosphere with a beach view. Menu includes fresh seafood, award-winning burgers, steaks, ribs, and more. If you're in the mood for barbecue, head over to Hog Heaven Barbecue Restaurant. You'll find a variety of barbecue favorites including smoked ribs, pulled pork, chicken, and burgers. If you're in the mood for Italian food, head over to Tiano's Cucina Italiana. Located across the street from Daytona International Speedway, Tiano's offers authentic Italian dishes, secret family recipes, and entertainment. The Cellar Restaurant is located in the historic home of President Warren G. Harding. Located in Daytona's historic district, the Cellar offers fine Italian dining. The restaurant is open for dinner only from Tuesdays to Sunday. Heading over to the marina area, you'll find the Chart House. Located at scenic Marina Point, the Chart House serves a number of seafood specialties. The Chart House offers creative twists on old favorites, all featuring local ingredients. Located at the Hilton Hotel, the Hyde Park Prime Steakhouse offers panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. This high-end steakhouse offers the best in available aged steaks in a variety of classic styles. And since we're in Daytona, many of the steaks are named after NASCAR drivers. And speaking of NASCAR, there are plenty of sports and entertainment venues across Daytona Beach. And of course, the most notable one is the Daytona International Speedway. The Daytona International Speedway is home to the Daytona 500. In addition to hosting the Great American Race, there are several other activities available at the track. Daily tours are available each day. Or you can purchase the NASCAR racing experience, where you could ride at top speeds around the speedway with a professional instructor. Another great sporting venue is the Jackie Robinson Ballpark. This historic ballpark opened in 1914 and was renamed to the Jackie Robinson Ballpark in 1989. It is widely recognized as one of the best ballparks in minor league baseball. The News Journal Center features art exhibitions, theater performances, and music concerts. The Ocean Center in Daytona Beach is the 5th largest convention center in Florida. The Ocean Center hosts numerous conventions and events throughout the year. Just across the street is the Peabody Auditorium. The auditorium features theater performances, concerts, and other musical events. Daytona Beach also features a lively downtown area. The riverfront shops offer more than 60 shops, restaurants, attractions, and other services. The downtown area is located between Bay Street and Orange Avenue. It's a great way to spend the day in a splendid waterfront setting. Daytona Beach offers more than 200 properties, both oceanside and on the mainland. You'll find many hotel chains and resorts on the oceanfront. There are also several hotels near the Speedway. Prices vary throughout the year and are definitely higher at spring break, during the Daytona 500, Bike Week, and other events. If you're looking for a more laid-back atmosphere, try Ormond Beach, which is Daytona Beach's neighbor. Just north of Daytona Beach, Ormond Beach offers a first-class resort experience, all with small-town grace. The beach tends to be less crowded than Daytona Beach, but equally as nice. This is a great family-oriented beach, and definitely has a more relaxed vibe than Daytona. Although Ormond Beach is not as large as Daytona Beach, there's still plenty of fun activities. There are several bars and restaurants throughout the Ormond Beach area. There's also plenty of shopping areas where you can pick up souvenirs and other items. This is definitely a family-oriented beach with plenty of activities for the entire family. And unlike Daytona Beach, you won't find a lot of high-rise hotels here. most hotels tend to be mid-rise hotels or smaller boutique hotels. And if you'd really like some peace and quiet, head up to Ormond by the Sea, which is on the northern tip of Ormond Beach. There are several small parking lots with direct beach access. The sand has kind of an orange color, which is caused by coquina shell fragments that absorb the rusty color of iron oxide. Definitely a lovely beach to visit. Well, it's time to wrap the video up. I certainly hope you enjoyed our tour of Daytona Beach, Florida. And if you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out the other videos in our Florida series. This is Traveling Joe saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.